Now open your SST copies. Prepare your page. Unit 1 Geography, Lesson 6 Water and Power. Topic question answers, page number 51. Question number 1 is, write down the source of fresh water in Pakistan. Answer is, the source of water in Pakistan are rainfall, wells, tube wells, solar pump, dams and barrages. Question number 2 is, explain the difference between a well and a tube well. Answer is, a well is a large hole dug in the ground to obtain water from underground sources. Tube wells are made by drilling deep holes in the ground. A tube is pushed into the hole. Water is pumped out by electric or diesel pumps. Question number 3 is, name some of the ways in which water is stored. Answer is, water is stored in dams on the upper part of the major rivers. Barrages are barrier built across the river. Question number 4 is, how would you describe an industrial country? Answer is, an industrial country is one which has moved from an agricultural to being an industrial one. Now question number 5. From where does Pakistan obtain raw materials for its industries? Answer is, Pakistan industries use raw material found in the country. Question number 6. Name the essential requirements for industry. Answer is, in order to set up on industry, it needs power supply, water and raw material. Question number 7 is, why is water important for industry? Answer is, water is important for industry as it is required in the processing of most goods. Water is important for industry as it is required in the processing of most goods. Question number 8 is, what kinds of power of energy are used in Pakistan? Answer is, Pakistan uses hydroelectricity, fossil fuel and atomic power, biogas, solar and wind power are used in rural areas. Now this is done.